Let's turn to business news now with Jonathan Mitchell. And Jono, are you there?
Hi, John.
Hi, nice to see you. Our purchasing power with the rest of the world has improved, I understand. What does that mean?
That's right. Well, we had a strong terms of trade in the December quarter, so our export prices are rising faster than our import prices. So we're getting better returns for things like lamb and butter, along with forestry and wool. This marks a record result for the December quarter, beating September's result. The pick is that the terms of trade will continue to stay strong, so we're getting good returns expected for our primary export. There's strong global demand and consumer appetite for New Zealand products. That's against a backdrop, though, of relatively low global inflation.
Right. I think I'm slightly wiser. Another scattering of company results. What were the highlights, Jono?
Oh, New Zealand King Salmon was one, John. They had a first half profit. It was up on last year, around $16 million, but they've warned in the second half that warmer seas will lead to lower fish stocks, so you might see the premium product New Zealand King Salmon cost a bit more in the supermarket over the coming weeks and months. Then we had Methven, they're the tap maker. They've been a bit mixed lately, but they had a fairly flat profit in their first half, around $3 million. Its sales were higher and they've managed to reduce a bit of debt as well. So they're relaunching a few products to get those sales up here and around the world. So we're pretty much through all the companies, John. A few retailers to come, such as Hallenstein Glasson, Kathmandu and Briscoe Group. At the end of this month, we'll also hear from Fonterra, putting their result on the table. Expect to see their revenue higher, around $10 billion, but a fairly flat profit as well from them.
That'll be a fascinating result. Yeah, thanks, Jono. What happened on the markets today?
We had a slightly weaker day on the top 50 index, down 31 points to trade at 8,343. The dollar was mixed as well. It's trading at 72 US cents and 93.1 Australian.
Jonathan Mitchell, 1/3 of our small but excellent business team. Thanks, Jono.